Hey there, travel lovers! Welcome back to another exciting journey. Today, I'm taking you to the heart of Christmas magic, Strasbourg's Christmas market. Known as the capital of Christmas, Strasbourg transforms into a winter wonderland that will leave you enchanted. First things first, let's talk about the Grande Ile, Strasbourg's historic city center. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. The entire area is aglow with twinkling lights and beautifully decorated wooden chalets. You can wander through over 300 stalls, each offering unique and handcrafted gifts. Trust me, you'll find something special for everyone on your list. Now, what's a Christmas market without some delicious treats? Be sure to try the traditional Alsatian goodies like bredel, those tasty little Christmas cookies. And don't miss out on a piping hot cup of vin chaud. That's mulled wine to keep you warm. There's nothing quite like sipping on vin chaud while soaking in the festive atmosphere. Next up, let's head over to the Place Kléber. Here, you'll find Strasbourg's iconic Great Christmas Tree. Standing tall and dazzling with thousands of lights, it's an absolute must-see. This is the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy photos. Seriously, your followers will thank you. Feeling adventurous? Hop on the magical Christmas-themed boat tour along the Ile River. It's a unique way to see the city's beautiful holiday decorations from a different perspective. Plus, the guides share fascinating stories about Strasbourg's festive traditions. It's a cozy and unforgettable experience. For all you shopaholics, don't miss the market at Place Broglie. This is one of the oldest Christmas markets in Europe, dating back to 1570. You'll find everything from exquisite ornaments to mouth-watering local delicacies. And make sure to grab a flammekueche, a yummy Alsatian flatbread that's perfect for snacking on while you shop. Oh, and here's a little secret tip. Visit the market in the evening. The twinkling lights and festive music create a truly magical ambiance. It's less crowded, and you can really soak in the holiday spirit. Before you leave, make sure to visit the Strasbourg Cathedral. Its stunning Gothic architecture is even more breathtaking when illuminated by the Christmas lights. Inside, you'll find an impressive nativity scene that's definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Strasbourg's enchanting Christmas market. Trust me, this is one holiday experience you don't want to miss. Pack your bags, bring your holiday cheer, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining me on this festive adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspirations. Until next time, happy travels!